What if a small percentage of humans carry a blood type so rare, doctors still treat it differently today? Rh-negative blood isn't a myth. It's not science fiction, and it's not a superpower in the comic book sense. But it is a biological mystery that has survived tens of thousands of years, raising questions about human evolution, genetic isolation, and survival itself. Tonight, we're separating fact from fiction and uncovering the real story behind Rh-negative blood. Introduction: the rarity. Rh-negative blood is rare. Globally, only about 15% of humans carry it. In some populations, it drops below 1%. And unlike most genetic traits, Rh-negative blood behaves differently, especially in pregnancy, transfusions, and immune responses. This alone makes it medically important. But what truly fascinates scientists is how it survived. Because Rh-negative blood does not offer an obvious survival advantage, yet it persists unchanged across generations. That's where the mystery begins. Chapter 1. What is Rh-negative blood? Human blood types are determined by proteins on red blood cells. The RHFactor is one of them. If you have the protein, you're Rh positive. If you don't, you're Rh negative. Simple. But here's the problem. From an evolutionary standpoint, Rh-negative blood can create biological conflict during pregnancy. An Rh-negative mother carrying an Rh-positive child can develop antibodies that attack the fetus in future pregnancies. So why wasn't this trait naturally eliminated? Why does it still exist? Chapter 2. Evolution doesn't keep mistakes. Evolution is ruthless. Traits that harm reproduction usually disappear. Yet Rh-negative blood survived ice ages, migrations, wars, plagues, and modern medicine. This suggests one of three possibilities: genetic isolation, a neutral mutation preserved by chance, or a hidden advantage we don't fully understand. Most scientists lean toward genetic isolation. Small human groups, separated by geography, can preserve rare traits for thousands of years. Chapter 4. Where Rh-negative is most common. Rh-negative blood is most concentrated in Europe, the Basque population, and certain isolated mountain and island groups. These populations experienced limited genetic mixing for long periods. In isolation, rare mutations don't disappear, they stabilize. This is not evidence of aliens, ancient gods, or lost civilizations. It is evidence of human isolation and inheritance. Chapter 5. Myths versus science. Over time, Rh-negative blood attracted myths: non-human origins, alien ancestry, and superior intelligence. There is no scientific evidence supporting these claims. However, Rh-negative individuals do show unique medical considerations: more careful blood transfusions, pregnancy monitoring, and rare donor importance. Rare does not mean supernatural, but it does mean important. Chapter 6. The real superpower. The real power of Rh-negative blood is survival through time. It represents human diversity, evolutionary complexity, and the randomness of genetics. It reminds us that humanity isn't one uniform design, but a mosaic shaped by chance, isolation, and adaptation. Conclusion: the mystery continues. Rh-negative blood doesn't prove ancient secrets, it proves something more important: that evolution doesn't always choose efficiency. Sometimes it preserves history. And in our blood, history still flows.